stop. If your lasagna turns out bland, dry, or rubbery, you're missing one simple trick. There's a game-changing ingredient that most people completely overlook, and it makes all the difference. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to take your lasagna from good to restaurant quality, and trust me, you won't believe what I'm about to tell you. The secret to the best lasagna? Watch till the end. Let's talk about what goes into an amazing lasagna. Of course, you'll need lasagna noodles. Regular or fresh, your choice. A rich, slow-simmered tomato sauce. Trust me, we're building flavor. Ricotta, mozzarella, and parmesan. The classic trio. A surprise ingredient that changes everything. More on that soon. Full ingredient list and exact amounts. By the way, if you love lasagna, you need to grab my free 20 lasagna recipe book. It's packed with classic, cheesy, and totally unique lasagna ideas. Link in the bio. All right, let's start building this masterpiece. First, spread a thin layer of sauce at the bottom. This prevents the noodles from sticking and infuses every bite with flavor. Next, spread on a creamy ricotta mozzarella mix. But we're going to tweak this a bit for the ultimate melt factor. More on that in a sec. Layer after layer, we're building something incredible. But there's one final touch that separates a meh lasagna from a next-level experience. And if you want even more delicious twists on lasagna, don't forget to download my free lasagna recipe book. Link in the description. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. The game-changing secret? Provolone cheese! Provolone has this deep, slightly smoky, and ultra-creamy texture that mozzarella alone just can't achieve. It melts beautifully, adding a gourmet restaurant-style finish. Now this is how you make lasagna next level. Just look at that cheese pull. One bite, and you'll never go back to mozzarella-only lasagna. But to get the full recipe, you need to check the link below. All right, if you want to make this at home, get the full step-by-step recipe with exact measurements at the link below.